Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back again to the garden. It's a beautiful day. It's a rainy day. I'm not complaining. At least it's a little bit cooler than yesterday. Yesterday or the past 2 days, gosh, guys, it was bad. But the only things after that, I'm going to look at all those weeds. I need to pull them out. Ugh, oh, thank God, I pulled them out with the roots. And my shirt go up. I'm showing up. Oh, no, 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 no. The wood doesn't come on this one. Oh, sheesh. I only get one. Oh, I only get one. When I put, no, 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 no. I'm going to put them on trash because next time I'm going to forget to put them somewhere. Oh, oh. Beautiful garden. And beautiful. I like the fact those little flowers are come up. At least that's going to be nice. Nice, nice, nice. The struggle, guys, is will to keep everything alive. It is will. I watering the grass last night, and now again it is dry. I'm not gonna do it now because I feel like it's a little bit cold. But the thing is, I water the grass so much, the grass is growing, and I don't want to cut it because it's so dry. I think I just need to come with my willy toe, or the name you call it, to cut out some of those 12 one. Oh, it's cold. It is windy to do that. But yeah, that's all I have here, guys. I like it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me call my mom again to see if she's coming with me because I'm not staying home this morning. I'm not staying home this morning. I already have my coffee and I'm ready to go out. I hope she come. I hope she don't forget. Let me call her again. Thank you, friends, for watching.